Okay students, in this video we will be talking about price output decisions in multi-plant farm. Sometimes one farm is having more than one plants where it is producing any commodity. Usually it is found in case of monopoly market where monopolist is having more than one plant where he is producing the commodity. Market is same, and market is expressed with the help of demand curve, or you can say average revenue curve, and plants are shown by cost curves because every plant is having its own production capacity and it shows a different level of output can be produced on this much cost. Okay, so here important decisions are fixing the quantity, how much total quantity of that commodity will be produced, and if it is fixed that we will be producing this much quantity, how much we will produce in plant 1 and how much we will produce in plant 2. Here I have taken example of 2 plants only, but there may be more than 2 plants too. We will distribute total quantity in different plants in such a way that marginal cost of one plant should be equal to marginal cost of second plant. If there is any situation like this that marginal cost of one plant is greater than marginal cost of a second plant, so you can see here cost of production is more in case of first plant, it is less in case of second plant. Obviously we will shift some commodities from here to there. I mean to say we will reduce production in this plant and we will increase production in this plant. So these commodities will be assigned with this plant. I mean this plant will be given a responsibility of producing these commodities and we will stop where both marginal costs are equal. So in this way total quantity or total production will be distributed in different plants like this. Marginal cost of one should be equal to marginal cost of second one. Okay. Next, as again profit maximization is the goal of this producer, so we will use this condition, marginal cost should be equal to marginal revenue. But here this time we are having more than one marginal cost, we will add that. So marginal cost of first plant plus marginal cost of second plant should be equal to marginal revenue. So in this way we will achieve our equilibrium where producer is having maximum profit. Now with this diagram you can understand this is about plant 1, this is for plant 2 and this is the market. I will draw this diagram step by step so that you can understand properly what I have drawn here. See here. These are 2 plants and every plant is having its own marginal cost. So these are marginal cost of first plant, marginal cost of second plant. Here this is our demand curve. There is only one market, so demand curve is 1 only, but we are having, I mean to say product is 1 but plants are 2. So product will be shown by its demand curve and plants will be shown by their marginal cost curves here. Okay, so as you see our formula, we will add both marginal cost curves and we will get this marginal cost here. I have added them horizontally. I have added this into this and I got this. Okay, so I have added both cost curves horizontally and I got this cost curve which is marginal cost curve, I mean marginal cost 1 plus marginal cost 2. Now we will apply our condition of profit maximization, and what is that? Here is marginal revenue and this is marginal cost, so quantity is fixed. Now we know this much quantity this producer should produce so that he can maximize his profit. What about the price? What price he should charge? So price will be fixed with the help of demand curve. Our average revenue curve is also our our average revenue curve is also our demand curve. So price will be fixed like this. First of all, we will distribute this quantity among different plants. How much will be produced in first plant and how much will be produced in second plant. So we will draw horizontal line like this, and wherever it is cutting these cost curves, quantities are fixed. So here if I add these two quantities, it will be equal to this. So quantity of first plant is this, quantity of second plant is this. Quantities are also fixed. Now let's talk about the price. Price is also fixed by demand curve, like in every cases we have already discussed in markets. So this price will be charged for the commodities. So this is the price and this is the quantity. Now we will discuss about the profit. How much profit is earned by this plant and this plant. We will draw our average cost curve. Let me draw my average cost curve. See, these are average cost curves. Let me mention here average cost 1, average cost 2. Now we will see where these are cutting average cost curve. I mean on this equilibrium quantity we will see difference between average cost and average revenue. Let me tell you, average revenue is equal to price always. Price is average revenue. So this difference is profit per commodity. And if you want to know total profit, join this. This is profit earned by second plant. Similarly here also see this difference between average revenue and average cost on equilibrium quantity, and draw it like this, and again you will get this shaded area. So these shaded areas are profits. Profit will depend upon the efficiency of this plant, and efficiency is shown by the average cost curve. Situation of average cost curve, whether average cost is down or upward, it depends upon that. Okay, so it was the process how to draw that diagram. You can see here, this is the same diagram I have drawn, and in this way we can decide how much to produce in first plant and how much to produce in second plant, and total quantity will be produced like this. When a monopolist is doing like this, this is called joint profit maximization. When a monopolist is having more than one plant, then he will produce in such a way so that total profit should be maximum. So this is called joint profit maximization situation by a monopolist.